Good morning. I want to speak with you all a little bit about terminal digit order filing. It's chapter 9 in your textbook. The reason we do filing this way is because sometimes files have very, very long numbers. So they decided that that was very confusing, so they would start breaking them down into groups of 3 in this case. The number you're going to file by is the one on the far right end. That's going to be your tertiary folder number. You've got a little chart on page 233. The secondary guide number and the primary or terminal file section, drawer, or shelf number. Basically, what that means is when this is your group order, you got group 1, group 2, group 3, you're going to file based on this last number and then go back and file based on these 2 numbers. So in the beginning of 9-1, what they've done is they put you a group of numbers down here. You're going to be paying attention to group 3 to begin, and you'll put it over here on group 3 on the chart. The highest number that we have so far to start with is 82. And then I have 2 82s. So they want this descending order. That means highest to lowest. The first number they put in is 82. Oh, sorry, that was leaning on my keyboard. And then they did 27 and 11. Why did they do 27 and 11? Because this number is higher than the next 82, which is 27, 10, 82. Okay, let's do some more so you can kind of get this in your head. It makes sense if you simply accept it for what it is. I can tell you that reading it in the chapter is, I think, still confusing. So hopefully me breaking it down for you, you can say, oh, I understand. I'm just going to dig right in because now I know how to do it. Okay, we've got our 2 82s. Those are the 2 highest numbers in this group of 3, group 3. All right, it looks like our next highest number is going to be 71. Well, we've got 2 71s. So I'm going to go ahead and put in 71 because that just makes me feel better. And I've got 2133 and 2132. Which of these 2 are the highest number? It's going to be 2132 because the middle number is the highest. Oh, sorry, 33, because we're going from highest to lowest. So then the next one's going to be 2132, 70. 21, 33, 71. 21, 32, 71. Okay, so descending order again. Descending beginning with the 3rd column. And then by group 1 and group 2. All right, after 71, what's my next highest number in the 3rd column? Oh, we've got a 70. Okay, there's only one 70. So this whole number, 20, 33, 70, goes next. Okay, what's the next highest number? I think it looks like 60. I've got 2 60s. I've got 1733 60 and 1734 60. So I'm putting my 60s here because that's the first thing I'm filing under. But now I've got 17 and 17. That's the first number. That can go into place. Now, since I'm going descending, I need the highest number in the middle first. So I've got 33 and 34. Which one is higher? 34, yes. And then 33. Okay. So we started with our highest number on the right. We then went to group 1 and group 2. Look how these numbers are not actually in as great a descending order. It's because you're doing this one first, and these happen to fit the profile. All right. Next highest number after 60, I think it's 50. Oh, it's 51. So this number is 29, 17, 51. That's really all there is to this. I'm going to check my work. And we got them all right that we've done. So there are obviously some other ones here. That you'll be following up. You're going to do them the same way, except they're asking for a little bit different. In this one, you're descending middle digit order. Let's see if there's a picture in here. Yeah, on page 235, descending order, middle digit means you're going to find the highest number in the middle first. So our highest one here is 1674.34 because the middle digit is what we're starting with. And there's two 74 ones, that's your highest number. One is 32 and one is 34. Well, 34 comes before 32. So it's going to be, the next one will be 1674.32. Okay, now I'm back to the center, the middle digit, as they say. Which one is the next lowest number after 74? Oh, I think it's 34. So this one is going to go here. 17, 34, 60. And what's your next highest number? Using the middle digits, you've got 33, and there's two of them. You've got a 2133.71 and a 2033.70. Which do you put first and which do you put second? I'm going to go to the left number first, 21, and then 71. And then I find the next one, which is 2070.
No, you can't go in there.
Oh, I didn't finish that one. So you can see when I'm doing the middle digit, I'm looking for the first number that I'm going to put in here. It's going to be in the middle. And then these go from highest to lowest. You can see that we did. And then you just fill them in across. So digit, go to the left, finally go to the right. Your final one is descending consecutive order. What does consecutive means? It means one right after the other. So what does that look like? All right, what you're doing when you're doing the descent. I don't see a picture in the book. That's what I was looking for. There might be one. I just have overlooked it. So you can check yourself and see if you see one. But I can tell you that consecutive order. The first thing they do is they go to group 1. What's the highest number in group 1? Well, it's 29, and there's 2 of them. 2917, 2917, and then 50 and 51. 51 goes first because we're going in descending order, and that's the highest number. So the next one is going to be 2917 because they're both the same, but this number is 50. So we're starting with highest to lowest. And we're starting with group 1, group 2, group 3. Okay, so if 29 is the highest, what's the next number in consecutive order? I think that would be the 27 one. So I'm putting 27 here. Uh-oh, we've got 2 of them. We've got 27, 11, 42, and 82. I'm going to put both of them at 27, 11, and then we've got 42, 27, 11, 42, 27, 11, 82. So 82 is going to come first. 42 is going to come second. We've got another 27, 11. No, I lied. We got a 27, 10. So that'll be the next one. $82. Okay. So you see how these numbers are descending, consecutive order. 27 is after 29, is after, still on 27s. The middle number is consecutively going down, 17, 11, 11, 10. These are going down. 50 is because it's with the number 29, but all these 27s, they start high, 82, 42, 82. Yeah. And this one changes because the middle digit changes. So again, you're going to start on this side with the highest number, then go to the middle numbers. If they're the same, like these 2 are, then the highest number goes first on the right-hand side. If there's just one of these numbers, you don't have to worry about which one goes first. You just bring this in order because the first number is 27, but the middle number is lower, 10, and then the right number is 82. It really doesn't matter. So anyway, I hope this helps. Try a few of them. See if you get them right. Let me check my work just to be sure. Oh, yeah. And please let me know if you have questions.